Guys, welcome back. So today we got I think this is 2019 Hyundai Accent. The vehicle just came in for a maintenance service. That's why I got this out. And also we're doing because the customer complained about intermittent rattle noise. So I went for a drive once the vehicle came in for from the recession. And for a few seconds of driving, I didn't hear the noise, and then after driving a while, I heard that noise. So I'm just gonna share it to you because it looks like a rotational noise. Something is hitting while the tires is rotating, especially on slow speeds or during braking, right? So I'm just gonna share to you what I found out is, as you can see here on the edge of the disc, right? And we got a shim here on the caliper. Okay, let me move this light. There's a shim on the caliper because the rust on the disc swells up. It hits that, but right now it doesn't do that at all, right? There's no noise or anything. I think it's because of the characteristics of the metal. When it's hot, it expands. When during cold, maybe it contracts. That's what I'm thinking in there. So I'm just gonna put you in there and zoom in. As you can see there, there's some spots there that it's very close to the bracket itself, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put use a small hammer to take out the rust and clean it, and that should be fine, right? So let me just remove these pads here. Here. Pads are out. Now, when you're doing this job, use this small hammer because it's gonna be tiring on your wrist or your hand. If you're using a big hammer, it doesn't matter. Whatever works for you. Usually when I do this job, I have this small hammer here so that I can just stack it nice. I can see that flakes there coming out. And also don't forget your safety glass, because those flakes, the metal flakes, will just jump around everywhere. So just to protect your eye, because it happened to me already. So right now I'm always using my safety glass, right? Especially you're using your hammer or whatever you do underneath the vehicle, right? So I'm gonna clean all this surface here. And after that, that's about it. Okay, so all the rust are gone now, those big chunks, and I will move again my camera and I will let you take a look on that gap now between the disc and the bracket. So as you can see there, you have enough space there that won't cause hits on the caliper, right? So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly grind the edges here, and that should be it. Okay, so that's just a quick tip. Maybe you guys has experienced some like a weird noise, especially like after driving a while. Because let's say if you're just gonna drive from overnight, you park your vehicle overnight and you drive in the morning, you will not hear that noise. It's like that noise will happen when, especially after driving a while or after repeated braking, and I think that's the time that metal will expand and hit that. It's either the shim or the caliper bracket itself. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that quick tip, and thank you for watching.